Hey guys, it's Taya Marin and I'm back with this quick and easy braided ponytail protective style. So just keep watching and I'll show you how I achieve this look. I like to do styles like this when my hair is pretty dirty. I'm very close to my next wash, so I really don't care about the amount of product that I'm about to put in it. But I like to start off with the olive oil hair lotion, and I just take a good amount and just kind of rub this through my entire head all the way down to my ends, because I really want extra shine and I really want the sleek look, and this adds a lot of moisture to my hair. Now I'm going in with Shine Jam Conditioning Gel Extra Holds, and I'm just taking a bunch on my hands and just rubbing it through my hair before I grab my handy dandy toothbrush and slick these edges. Now I'm just taking this toothbrush and getting my edges as slick as possible. I like the Shine Jam. It works pretty well for my hair, but definitely use whatever edge control or gel that works best for your hair texture. I'm just taking this hard brush, getting all this gel throughout my hair so I can get this ponytail sleek and slick, because if your hair is anything like mine, it definitely needs a lot of product to stay down, otherwise it will curl up. So I really have to make sure I'm brushing this product through my hair. Because I want the braid to kind of hang and drape over my shoulder, I'm making sure this ponytail is super high, so it's literally going to sit at the top of my head. And I'm just taking a hair tie and getting that ponytail super tight. My ponytail is pretty long, it's getting there, but it's just not as long as I want for this braided look. So I'm going in with my Bobbi Boss Jumbo Braid hair, and I'm going to keep it, it already comes with the rubber band tied around, so I just keep it just like that and wrap the rubber band around my ponytail. Forget to separate a piece of hair so that way at the end you can wrap it around and cover up that rubber band. Before I started braiding, I just rubbed a little bit more olive oil product on my hands, just so when I start braiding it's transferring that product onto the braid and looks really shiny and moisturized. I'm not the best braider in the world, but definitely try to get your sections as even as possible, because it's definitely going to make a difference in how neat your braid looks. I think I did a decent job, but just try to keep it as even as possible and braid all the way down to the very end. Now I'm going to take that extra piece and just wrap it around the ponytail. As you can see, it's covering up that rubber band and the hair tie, and I'm just going to secure that piece with a couple bobby pins. Now you just want to go ahead and fluff the braid out and you are all set to go. If you're natural like me, this is a really great protective style that helps you get through in between washes. If you want to get more fun, you can add some of those cute little gold clips that you can get from the local beauty supply store. If you want to see how I achieve this makeup look, keep watching my next video. Make sure to follow me at Taya Marin Beauty, and make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks guys.